Sabud. I am from West Bengal, Kolkata, and I have recently completed my BTech in Computer Science in the year of 2023. And after completing my graduation, I have taken the admission at JSPIDERS Kolkata in the year of 2023 at the month of July. And there I have learned new technologies like Java and all the Spring frameworks and Hibernate Servlet, and also web technology as well as the SQL. And using these tech stacks, I have developed few projects for getting placed into the companies. But due to the lack of interview was scheduling at Kolkata, that's why our trainer SK sir suggest me to take the branch transfer to JSPIDERS Rajajinagar, Bengaluru. And before that, I would like to thank Sachin sir, SK sir, Vishwanath sir, and Hemant sir for suggesting me and to learn new things. And at the month of April, I have joined at JSPIDERS Rajajinagar, and here also I have gained a lot of knowledge in Spring frameworks, and for that Sai sir has helped a lot. And also for the programming part, I have enhanced my skills. So for that, Siddharth sir helps me a lot. And also I would like to thank all the teachers and Pritam sir for assisting me for the placement results and suggestions. And they have provided many grooming sessions. And till now, I have attended 5 to 6 interviews, and that is the last one that I got placed.